How to fix Netflix stopped working on Sony Google TV. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how to fix Netflix isn't working on Sony Google TV. Now to do it so, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So if Netflix has stopped working on your Sony Google TV, you could try this troubleshooting steps. First of all is you could simply restart your device and a modem or a router as well. The other thing you could also do is check your internet connections. First of all, you want to take out the plug from the socket, and next you want to wait for at least 20 seconds and once again plug it back and see whether that fixes your issue or not. It could also be that Netflix app has an issue, so for that you can go to the Google Play Store on your TV with the help of a remote and check for an update. To go to the app or else you can also try clearing your app data. For that, go to settings, go to app, select Netflix, and you want to click on force stop. Once you do it so, this is going to delete your data, so you could do that and once again re-log in and see whether that fixes your issue or not. The other potential issue could be your software update. Ensure your TV is running the latest software. Or you could also check for parental control, or you could, as per the last resort, you could go ahead and factory reset it by going to the settings. That could be able to help you out. So these are a couple of different things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.